years ago. And after that, the store owner say, "Oh, why you try to scam me with this lock? Because I just want the chicken, not want the gold." Yeah, it's so funny. And then after that, he left. And another guy, he also tried to buy the stuff with the silver. Again, he also refused because he just want the chicken. It look like today, if you go to the store, you make a payment by gold or make a payment by cryptocurrency. Of course, the store owner will say, "Oh, this guy is no, is yeah."
But I believe this kind of movie, number one, I have to praise them for their effort in making themselves look like ancient
Yeah,
people.
yeah,
Okay, number two, I think I believe they should lengthen this video's content and tell people something more about the cryptocurrency rather than telling them, "Oh, I am paying you with Bitcoin, but you don't accept. But now Bitcoin is so high." So there's a element that is missing there. Is that it's called education.
yeah. That's right.
People
That's
are not
correct.
educated of what this Bitcoin is, or back in the past, if people are not educated what gold actually is, then they are missing out. You can't blame them for not taking up the gold because they do not know what
Yeah,
the
that's
value
right.
of this gold is about, or is, and why people are using gold. They do not know. Just like today, I mean, there are a lot of people who do not understand why people are crazy about Bitcoin and why Bitcoin is in place and how can they actually make exercise transaction and perhaps make money from Bitcoin. So
Yeah,
all this video is telling people is, we give you Bitcoin, you don't want to accept.
yeah. That's
Which
right. Because the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is so volatile, and
yeah.
yeah,
So the thing is, like you say, like Richard just mentioned, Bitcoin is very volatile right now.
yeah.
So I'm going to share a screen about. Okay, let me go to the screen and click on
Okay.
it first.
Yeah.
So just like how the allow. No. What is this? Entire screen? Oh no.
No, just the window or just the application of this one.
Entire screen. Allow. This is sickening. Uh, okay. This is so sickening. Why are they doing this to me? Okay, now I found the thing. Okay, just look at this Bitcoin price. Is the screen is sharing right now, right?
Okay, I see you said
Where's my
BTC and USDT. Yeah, okay. Okay,
all right?
you can.
So you see, like you mentioned earlier, Richard mentioned something about volatility. So um this is now we are up 8 plus morning. Last night, Singapore time about 10 o'clock. So over the last 12 hours, you see the price from from okay, yesterday afternoon it was like what, closing out at 56, 57,000, and then at night, which is probably morning over in the US or something, so they have this gap down. Wow, all the way from 52,000 to 47,000, 47,622. So and then after that it gap up again. So what Richard has mentioned earlier about the volatility, it is something that uh, it is something that a lot of people are afraid of. Yeah, because they do not know when the price is going to move up so high, when the price is going to suddenly go down to the valley, and that's the problem. You know, are you still there, Richard? Oh, he's not there. Where am I then? Hello?
I'm here. I'm here. Because the Wi-Fi I need to turn off, and
Yeah.
now let me say hello to our audience on the YouTube channel. Yeah. Let me say hello to Mix. Hello to Mr. Khang Nguyễn. Hello to Steph 34. Hello to Mr. Thương. Hello to Miss Phượng Hà Family Japan. Hello to CLTV7. Yeah. Now let's continue. Recently, Mr. Nicholas shared information to us how the price got down.
So
And
earlier I shared with the listeners the
yeah,
price moving chart, price chart from
yeah,
Binance.com
yeah,
about US this BTC
yeah,
Bitcoin price against USDT. You know,
yeah,
USDT
yeah,
equals equals to $1.
yeah,
So basically the price of the Bitcoin was at 57,000, and then a few hours later at night it it dived to
yeah.
about 47,000, something like
But
that.
uh, last a few weeks, I also received some requests from some of my friends who say, "Oh, now I want to buy Bitcoin. Now I want to cryptocurrency." And what's your suggestion? It means
uh, there's no hard and fast suggestion, honestly speaking,
yeah,
because if you're going to look at the price movement, um, of course the price are moving very crazy at the moment, but if you are looking at a price that is moving up and down, and you think, let's say for example, it's moving at 50,000, let's say for example, so this is 50,000, it's moving up and down. So if you think that you want to buy something that is, you don't want to spend so much money, you don't want to wait so long, you can try your luck. Try your luck.
yeah,
57,000, right? If you want to buy at 40,000 or 42,000, you try your luck. You put 40,000. It might
yeah,
happen that way. Like what happened last night. You move up to 57,000, and then you come down a bit, and then you drop and then you come up. You never know. Yeah. But by and large, in general, if you are constantly on the computer looking at the price, you can try a little bit here and there. When it dip down a little bit, you buy. When it move up, maybe 2,000, 3,000, you quickly sell it quickly. I think you'll be able to make some money. Yeah. But
yeah.
of course,
This
you're going to buy now and you hold for a long time, hoping for it to go up high. There's only two ways it can go up, right? High or low. So there's
yeah.
only 50% chance. Yeah.
But if we compare with 1 month, 7 day is uh, I think the neck resistance is around 60,000. Yeah, it's a neck resistance
Yeah,
because
possibly.
yeah,
Possibly.
because it had just hit the 58,000. I also try to test the resistance at 58,000 previously, and it's hit the price. And now I will test the next target is around 63,000. Yeah,
Hmm.
it's just in my opinion. In 63,000 is around 1 month, within 1 month, and the next target will be adjusted in the in short term. Yeah. But in the long term, I also set a target, set a sale at 88,000 or something like that. But I but I don't know how long. And when we see the Bitcoin go up and down, we also if you want to invest in some cheap and this means invest in the alternative coin. You can try to find some potential project. Yeah, it's up to some of our investor. Yeah, and
Yeah.
and this day a lot of project in NFT token in the DeFi, and then people and the new investor can try their luck, not only in buying in buying the cryptocurrency. We also can try the other service product like the farming, like the fixed deposit. You can get the interest. That means
Yeah.
yeah. It means if you have one Bitcoin and you don't know what to do, you can lock your Bitcoin there and you receive the interest.
Yeah.
In the exchange is 1% for 1 year. 1% for 1 year, yeah.
Yeah.
In
1% is not too bad in comparison to how banks are paying point
yeah,
less than
yeah.
1%.
Oh, for 1 year is a year return, but you can set the fixed deposit in 7 days, 14 days, 30 days. It depends you. You can try the flexible. You receive the interest daily. Just a
So,
little.
so the crypto exchange are the one that is offering this kind of
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
strategy.
The the crypto, the Binance or some the other, but we think with the Binance we can try with this. Yeah, it's also is we we also can rely with it and try to do the farming, to do the deposit, fixed deposit to get interest, because if you put your coin in your exchange wallet, it cannot increase the value. Yeah, so
Yeah.
you just lock it with 7 day or 14 day. Yeah, but it's all. But you also can receive a risk, because when the price so volatile, it's hard for you to buy or sell immediately.
Yeah.
Okay, and next article. This morning I also received this news. Um, this is about the NFT token, because
Uh,
yeah, the she's
I know
she
she
yeah,
has a lot of drug problem in the past.
yeah, and she got the NFT token. When I go to the OpenSea,
Mm.
OpenSea is this one is
So the
one.
music industry is coming up with all this NFT as well, huh?
But
Yeah, Daft Punk is I think Daft Punk is the name of a music group or something like that.
yeah, that's right. That Fang is her boyfriend, and then after
Ah,
they broke up, and
boyfriend.
she's selling his NFT token in Ethereum with the price of 15,000. Yeah,
Mhm.
and I see here and I do research here. Uh,
So maybe all the celebrities who retire from the industry or who has not gotten enough opportunities in acting or singing, they should
yeah,
start to sell all these things.
yeah, that's right. And when we go to the OpenSea, we see some of the digital art. Uh, Now the artists they can sell their art around the world, and
Yeah.
they can set the price for the other people can beat the price. Yeah, look
Mm.
like this photograph film. This film he
Silence of the Lamb.
yeah,
Yeah.
the Silence of the Lamb, he sell it
Popular.
with for Ethereum.
Yeah.
He
I like
sell
that
it.
movie though.
Yeah,
Anthony Hopkins was was great in the movie. He was
Yeah,
excellent.
yeah. Me too. I also see. And in the internet, we can do all the do everything, can sell everything online. And now this is the revolution of the Web3. Yeah, as we share in to our audience about the Web3. Web3 is a decentralized web version. It's no more centralized server web. So this is a new technology, and we hope that it will this is a new. Let me. Oh, yeah,
So
that's a
all these are selling at 2.114 BTC, right? The one, that logo.
Ethereum. All is
Okay,
Ethereum.
okay. So it's selling at 2 ETH, 4 ETH, 4.5
Yeah,
ETH,
yeah,
or
that's right.
is it 45 or 4.5?
Yeah,
Yeah. This is
we also have one of the meeting room sell on the Decentraland. It's also one of the virtual workplace also.
so
Uh,
so maybe you can tell our listener how they can actually go to this OpenSea and sell, buy sell. Can
uh,
anyone just log in or sign up an account and post something and sell their artwork or something like that?
with the sign up, you don't need to sign up. You just need the uh, watermark wallet, MetaMask wallet.
MetaMask wallet,
Yeah.
right?
And after that, you connect your MetaMask wallet to this website. It's automatically connect if you use the MetaMask wallet, and you can buy and sell directly on your wallet. Yeah, that's it.
So I guess this thing is actually much more forward looking than CryptoKitties, right?
Yeah. That's right. It's nearly
Wildcat,
similar. Yeah.
colors, different colors. This is basically different kind of artworks.
Yeah. That's for example, this sell and here sell. If I click on the buy, it will ask me to get the wallet of the watermark, and it's linked automatically
So
and can buy and sell.
how do people actually put up something for sale?
Put up something for sale. Also, you click on the grid. You can make the collection here. If you have some of your video or your photo, you can put upload your video or photo here, and you submit NFT, and you can set a price, something like that.
Let's say, for example, today I'm going to draw something here and then I make it into a picture and I
Yeah,
upload it into the marketplace and I
yeah,
can
that's
start
right.
selling.
Yeah, of course, that can. It's very fast, easy for you.
That's nice.
Yeah,
That's
it's not.
here.
Uh, but this one is uh, now it's still early, and people will think this is look like a game. Look like if I sell this thing to you, is a spaceship on Bali. Yeah. So some
I
people
think
think
I think there's a lot of potential for this if you look
yeah.
at a different way. You
Yeah.
know,
Look like the Pokemon card, right?
yeah,
The
people
the
can
Pokemon.
use this for a lot of different purposes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think OpenSea is decentralized, right?
Yeah, that's right. Decentralized.
Yeah.
Uh, I remember I had tried the Xeonbit card here for a long time. Yeah, Xeonbit here, Xeonbit design here. Here's all the Xeonbit stuff. You can see, remember, see. Marble card also. I also have. We also can have this. This
Okay,
also the
so let's say for example, you are selling something like this, and I'm from the public. I look at this picture, I like it, I want to buy.
yeah.
So
You
I
can buy.
pay Ethereum to buy this, right?
Yeah,
So
that's right.
this picture will come into my page or my whatever, and it will not no longer appear in your page or something. Yeah.
No, after you purchase the address, the access, it says it's NFT token. It look like the coin. It will similar with the coin, and it's linked to your address
So the
after you
amount of coin
purchase.
will come into my wallet.
Example, this is the coin name. This one, you just imagine this is a coin NFT token. It look like the token, and then after you purchase with the Ethereum, uh, the you purchase the coin and you get a token, vice versa, and you also can sell your token and you receive a coin.
So,
You
so you have this picture. I have some Ethereum in my wallet. So
yeah
I like this thing. So I going to buy this thing. So I transfer 0.05 ETH to
yeah
you, right?
yeah.
So
Uh,
what do I get?
This if you buy and sell the diamond, it look like trade the trade the GIA diamond certificate. If you keep the GIA diamond certificate, you are the owner of the diamond, right?
Yeah, of course, of course.
Yeah,
Of course, if I'm the owner of the diamond, I better see the diamond in my drawer, you know.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Just look
So
like
so what am I asking is that uh, in my page,
yeah,
I look at this picture and I
yeah,
like I pay Ethereum. So this is going to be just like CryptoKitty, right? The thing will appear
yeah.
on my
That's right.
page, and then
Yeah,
I'll keep it, and the thing will not be on your page anymore because you sold it to me, right?
yeah.
So
It's
in turn, I can sell it to somebody for a
yeah,
profit,
yeah.
and
That's right.
this very nice picture will go to that person, and it will not appear on my wallet at all. After that,
Yeah,
I maybe I sell to him for three Ethereum.
yeah.
Then I'll give him the picture, and then he will give me the three Ethereum in coins, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, what the
It's
listeners will want to know.
yeah, because some people will get the confusion because they think uh, after I sell it, why I can still see the picture. Right, you correct. After
The picture will be invalid, right?
yeah, that's right. The picture is invalid.
Because if okay, let's use something. Imagine this is my computer screen, right?
Yeah,
So if this picture I buy from you, it comes here. So when I sell to David, this picture goes to him, but this picture will still appear in my archive, but the token address is no longer there or something.
yeah. The token address owner is belong to you. If you are the owner, because after you make a purchase, the token
I
will
own the
send.
address, right? I own the
Yeah,
token address,
yeah.
but and you don't own the address anymore, even though you might be able to see the picture in your page.
I can see the picture, but I am not the owner of this.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's fair. That's fair. It's
yeah,
almost just it's almost like I go to this page, I see all your things, but I don't own any of them.
yeah,
But I'm buying the address, and then it comes to me, and I can sell it to someone else.
yeah.
But
It's
once David buy this picture from me, I no longer own the address. He owns the address. He also can see the picture in his screen. So
yeah,
I can see this picture. It's for me to think. It's for me to remember. Oh, I bought this before,
yeah,
and
yeah.
now
That's
it belongs to him, right?
yeah. It's look like the crypto kitty, but this one is more related to the world. It's
So this is actually a good thing. It's actually
yeah,
good because a lot of art collectors, once they sell something, they don't see it anymore in real life because that belongs to a new owner. But if they want to remember what their old artwork look like, they will like need to Google on that or something like that. But if they can see it all on their archive page or something, I think that's perfect. Yeah, maybe we should tell that Mr. Sun.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's I think it's has been 1 year. I try to persuade people focus on and some of the token. It's up to because uh
No, the thing is, people need to understand what this is all
yeah
about. But
yeah
if if this is the level of understanding for crypto,
yeah
if you're only understanding a little bit, it's very difficult for them to persuade to
yeah, that's right.
go into this kind of business, or this kind
Yeah
of buying and selling of art,
yeah
because for them what they understand is the former world of real oil paintings
yeah
and artworks and all this kind of thing. Yeah.
yeah
So unless they are already moved up in knowing the entirety, or knowing how a lot of all this crypto works and how it can be done, then they'll be able to convince themselves, because they need to
yeah
convince themselves. We can't really
yeah, that's
convince
right.
them. They need to just like you are explaining this artwork thing to me. Before
Yeah
this, I'm only understanding a little bit. Now I
yeah
fully understand,
yeah
because I've tried CryptoKitty before. So now I can picture this two things together. So at least for me, I know that this can work.
yeah
There's potential in this kind of things, because there are always people who wants to do this kind of thing, and there are a lot of things beyond what we see today. When I look at this platform, and this kind of selling of art, and how much potential it has beyond what we see. Yeah.
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 When I see through the app, we see some people set a Nike photo with
Wow, they want to sell it for $2,000, $3,000.
yeah. This is it's not the Nike. It's just
Just a shoe
some
picture.
yeah, just picture of this. But his verified collection. When we
It's
see
not
some
Nike. It's N1K3, not Nike.
yeah, it and one K3. Yeah, that's right. It's also potential if you
Yeah,
try to
attract
buy and sell.
your mind.
And it's also depend on the how famous of the seller, because
Mm,
if you go to see some seller no, that means no verify, no, he don't have any famous, it's hard to let the buyer to get the article.
mm.
Yeah. Okay. So wait for what?
What happened? Hmm?
You wait for me. Why? So
So while we are waiting for Richard, let's go back and look at this Bitcoin price. So today, the price is at 53,000 now. Um, I hope you guys can see my screen here. Right. So it is 53,000 here now. So now I am looking at the 1 month. So let's move to the 1 week price movement. You can see there is a down here. Um, 1 day. So this is basically daily movement rather. So in order to see the details here, we just need to go to 4 hours, I think per hour. 4
It's
hours.
okay. Just a few moments.
Yeah. So we are waiting for you. So I just show them the.
Yeah. Okay. So now we
Now
this some of the store. It look like you open the photo of the watch online and you have all the car for this one. If the owner or someone to buy it, yeah, so you can send. So they own the virtual watch. They say the virtual watch. If they want,
virtual. That's
yeah,
very sad.
yeah, yeah,
I can't wear it.
yeah. But you also can
if I
send
if I
some.
if
Yeah,
I collect a Rolex watch or
yeah,
Patek Philippe, how do you pronounce that? Yeah, so I will want to wear it at least once to feel the weight and feel the gold on my hand.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's correct. So it's just a virtual one, and people they can enjoy. Sometimes people they enjoy with the this is the we say virtual, but it's authentic virtual because uh, the thing belong to you. It cannot be duplicated. It
Yeah,
cannot be.
yeah, of course. The funny thing is about this virtual watch collection. Sorry, guys, for those who are selling virtual watch collection. Yeah, so because the design all look the same.
Yeah,
Yeah, so if I am a active collector on all this digital art, I would like to see something different every time I buy a new thing. You know, I don't want to buy a painting today and then the same painting tomorrow, the same looking ones. Yeah, so
yeah,
there are a lot of people out there who wants to buy something or wants to transact with something that has different picture representing the value of the address, right? Yeah, at least to me, that's how I think it should be done. All right, Richard, where are you?
yeah, yeah. Yes, I'm here. So you so now. Now let's go to the last part of the discussion today is about the crypto. Is On this morning I read the news on the Cointelegraph. It's a telegraph about the market price. Telegraph, Cointelegraph,
Telegraph?
yeah, Cointelegraph. Yes, this one because
I'm wondering, is there anybody right now who is actively pushing for 100,000 already?
oh really?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm just asking.
So,
Yeah,
so, so you wait for me now.
because there need to be a certain maximum point where it reach, uh, where it arrive to the point of the price. By right. All right, maybe now is a season for the whales to just slapping one another. uh, wow, 28,000 BTC. Wow, these guys, wow, they're playing with big money.
Yeah, this is one of the way they try to put that mean to uh, that mean to manage the price because Elon Musk has invested in the news recently. The Elon Musk invest 1.5 billion in Bitcoin, and they got the profits the same with all the year 2020 of the Tesla company. Yeah, this is one of the nice
Okay,
news.
so 28 BTC is one. Okay, let's say the price of the BTC is 50 plus, so I just use 50,000 as a calculation. So it is 1.4 billion. That's a lot of money. Yeah. Imagine you are just transferring 1.4 billion just like that. Just like that. Are you still there? Hello?
Yeah, seriously. So please hold on for a while. I need to turn off the microphone for a while, so you can share the screen to our audience. Yeah, I am still listening to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah. So this what is a can you pull down the screen? BTC price crash below 48,000. Be
Okay. So you want me to share the screen of the price on trading view?
no need. So is there any other articles that we can talk about? um,
Okay, so if there is no the other article, we can say goodbye to our
yeah,
audience today.
sure.
Yeah. If you have any question, please comment below, and you can let us know. We can discuss more with you. Um, uh, and I hope you have a nice day. Yeah, Mr.
Yeah, thank you all
Nicholas.
for joining us today. Please have a nice day. And when it comes to trading, always exercise caution. But if you are confident that the price can move to your favor, then go ahead. Yeah. So of course, now we are still in the COVID season. So wherever you are, please wear your mask. Even though if you're in Taiwan, please wear a mask when you go out as well. Yeah. Bye bye. Oh, hey, bro.
Please, I need to turn off the live stream.